In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort bookmarks in Google Chrome alphabetically. This task is simple and can help keep your browser organized, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for when you need it. With a few easy steps, you'll have all of your bookmarks neatly sorted in no time. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Bookmark Manager in Google Chrome. To do this, go to the top right corner of your Chrome browser and find the three-dot menu, often called the More menu. This menu holds various options for managing your Chrome settings and tools. Click on the three dots and then move your cursor over the Bookmarks option listed there. From the resulting submenu, you'll want to click on Show All Bookmarks. If you use the bookmark bar frequently, there's a quick alternative too. Simply right-click on an empty space within your bookmark bar and select Bookmark Manager from the drop-down list that appears. Either method will take you to the Bookmark Manager, where you'll view all your saved bookmarks. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, your next step is to navigate to the specific folder whose bookmarks you want to sort. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see a panel with a list of all your bookmark folders. This panel allows you to easily manage and access your saved links. Whether you want to sort bookmarks in a particular folder or across all bookmarks in the main bar, you just need to select the right folder from this list. However, if your aim is to organize all bookmarks in the main bar, there's no need to move. You're already in the right spot. Now let's move on to sorting the bookmarks within your chosen folder. You'll want to direct your attention to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager window. Click on this menu to reveal several options for managing your bookmarks. From here, it's straightforward. Look for Sort by Name in the drop-down menu that appears. Simply selecting this option will alphabetize your bookmarks within the selected folder instantly. Finally, if you have other folders that you'd like to sort, the process is exactly the same. Go back to the left-hand panel, click on another folder you'd like to organize, and repeat the sorting process by selecting Sort by Name once more in that folder. If you do this for each folder, you'll have a consistently organized system, making it easy to locate any bookmark you're searching for. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily maintain an organized and efficient web browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!